Sharing audio between two TVs, a handy guide.
Welcome to this video guide, where we will be learning how to split audio between two TVs when connecting them with HDMI. We'll break down the steps in an easy-to-understand manner, so you can enjoy your favorite content on multiple screens with shared audio.
Understanding the problem.
Before diving into the solution, let's understand the problem we are trying to solve. HDMI cables not only carry video but also audio from your source device to your TV. But when you are trying to split this signal to two TVs, the audio can only be delivered to one of them by default. So, how do we split the audio between two TVs? That's what we're going to find out.
Required equipment.
In order to split the audio between two TVs, we're going to need a few things. 1. HDMI splitter. This device allows us to send the HDMI signal from the source to two TVs. 2. Audio extractor. This tool will help us take the audio from the HDMI signal and distribute it to both TVs.
Setting up the HDMI splitter.
Now that we have the necessary equipment, let's start by setting up the HDMI splitter. 1. Connect the HDMI cable from your source device, e.g. DVD player, game console, etc., to the HDMI input on the splitter. 2. Connect two other HDMI cables from the HDMI outputs on the splitter to your two TVs. At this point, both TVs should be receiving the same video signal. But remember, only one TV will receive the audio.
Extracting and distributing the audio.
Now comes the crucial part, extracting and distributing the audio. 1. Disconnect the HDMI cable from one of the TVs and connect it to the input of the audio extractor. 2. Connect a new HDMI cable from the output of the audio extractor to the TV. 3. Using suitable audio cables, like 3.5mm audio cable or RCA cables, based on what your TVs accept, connect the audio output of the extractor to the audio input of both TVs. At this point, both TVs should be receiving not only the same video but also the same audio. We hope this video guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to split audio between two TVs when connecting them via HDMI. Remember, the key is using an HDMI splitter and an audio extractor. By following these steps, you should be able to share your audio effortlessly across multiple TVs. Happy watching!